He never changed, no other. Baby, oh baby, we still the same, no other. He never changed, no other. His love endures forever.
I had pastor talk this morning and said we Facebook. This is my Facebook when I was young. The problem many young people have today is that they are facing fake book. Yes. They are facing fake book. I faced this book from the age of 14. I begin to read this Bible cover to cover. By 15, I didn't understand 90% of what I'm reading. But by 16, it began to become clear to me. And I live a life of purpose with clear sense of direction. I didn't wander around. It was the best thing that have ever happened to me. My life was revolutionized. So by the age of 15, I wrote 5 things I want to accomplish before I turn 20. Before I turn 25. You may not agree with me. You may call it ritual, whichever way you understood it. But listen, I wrote 5 things because what God asks you to do is to delight yourself. Psalm 37 verse 4. Delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desire of your heart. You need to have a desire. What you need to do is to have plans and bring that plans under the subjection of the word of God. I wrote that by 18 years, I want to live in 3 bedrooms apartment of my own. By 20, I want to take a lady to altar who will be my wife. By 21, I want to have a male child, a boy. By 23, I want to own my own car. And by 25, I want to be a millionaire. Yes! I didn't have it in my head because I've learned principles from this Bible that Habakkuk 2:20 said, write the vision down. It may tarry, but it must surely come to pass. That thing you wrote down is your commitment. You will always come back to say where I am to where I want to be. So if you didn't hear anything from me today, I don't want you to leave this place without writing 5 things you want to accomplish in the next 5 years. That is my assignment to you. Before you leave here, make a commitment, because nothing is going to be different until you decide that it becomes different. I wrote those 5 things. I placed them on the wall of my bed.